How to download Moneylion? Let's dive right into it. Downloading Moneylion is a straightforward process that can put financial management right at your fingertips. Here's how to do it step by step. First things first, grab a smartphone and head over to the Play Store if you are using an Android, and if you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store. You can see my Play Store over here. Tap on it. Then you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the search icon, which is right over here, and search for Moneylion over here. It's not showing in my Google Play Store, maybe due to the country issue. Let's search it from the Chrome. Search for Moneylion over here. Scroll down and go to the app section. You can see it over here. Let's tap on it. That will open in a Google Play Store. For your kind information, Moneylion is not available for the people who are outside the US. So if you want to use it, you may have to use VPNs. So this is how the Moneylion app look like. Now tap on install, which is in the blue color right over here. Tap on it. Then it will start downloading your app for you. Depending upon your internet speed, it will start downloading in just a few moments. Once done, you will see an option for open, which is right over here. Tap on it and set up your account. You will need to create an account which involves entering your email, creating a password, and providing some personal information. Don't worry, Moneylion takes a security very seriously. Once you are all set, take a little time to explore the feature. Whether it's for budgeting, build your credit, or tracking your spending, there's a lot to discover. And that's it. In just few minutes, you will have Moneylion ready to help you take control of your finances. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.